Tom paid $11.80 for 3 sharpeners and 4 pencils. Each pencil costs 50 cents more than each sharpener. What is the cost of one sharpener? So we'll start drawing a model for this question. From the first sentence, we know that we are not able to draw a model. So let's look at the second sentence. Pencil costs 50 cents more than a sharpener. We can actually draw a comparison model for this. So the sharpener would be 1 unit and the pencil would be 50 cents more. Now let's look at the first sentence again. We know that Tom actually bought 3 sharpeners. So we will draw 3 units for the sharpeners and 4 pencils. So 4 pencils. So I actually would draw a stack-up model instead of the normal model that we usually draw. This is actually to make the model look a lot neater because we are stacking it upwards in case some questions they have many numbers like maybe 10 sharpeners or 20 pencils. We know that Tom paid a total of $11.80. So let's look at the model. If we were to group all the units up, we know there is a total of 7 units here and 4 groups of 50 cents. And if we were to add them up, it costs $11.80. So let's find out how much does these 4 sets of 50 cents cost. Okay, and 4 times 50 cents will give you a $2. So let's find out how much is 7 units now. So 7 units will be the total, $11.80. You minus away this $2. Okay, you get a $9.80. Let's find out the cost of 1 unit. You divide it by 7. You get $1.40. So let's read the question again. They're asking us to find the cost of 1 sharpener. So let's look at the model. We know that 1 sharpener is actually 1 unit. Hence, the cost of 1 sharpener would be $1.40.